Hi everyone, Frank Verney here. Welcome to another edition of Real Estate Help by Frank. Today I have some important news for anyone who got a loan modification on their mortgage over the last several years. Rates and payments are about to start increasing for homeowners who received the modification under the Home Affordable Modification Program, which was known as HAMP. Close to 1.3 million people took advantage of this government program since it was launched in 2009. It was really great for many troubled homeowners, especially after the financial crisis hit. Many folks saw significant drops in their mortgage payments. It took them out of adjustable mortgages and rates that were much higher, which allowed them to stay in their homes and avoid foreclosure. Many banks also put together their own internal programs that had similar guidelines for those folks that did not qualify for the HAMP program. However, HAMP modifications were a temporary fix, with rate reduction that lowered the mortgage payment typically to interest rates as low as 2% for the first 5 years. After 5 years, the reduced rate may rise by up to 1% each year for the next few years annually to whatever the national average was for a 30-year fixed rate loan at the time of the modification. Now, how this works is fairly simple. So let's take a quick example for a 30-year, $250,000 mortgage. When the loan modification was approved, the payment was lowered to 2%, or a payment of $924 per month for principal and interest for the next 5 years. Taxes and insurance were always added to this payment. In year 6, the interest rate will increase from 2% to 3%, so the new payment is now $1,054 per month. In year 7, the rate will go to 4%, and in year 8, the rate will go to approximately 4.5%, so the new payment that will be fixed for the remainder of the 30-year loan will be $1,267 per month. So in this example, the monthly payments will increase by about $343 per month. The average borrower in the United States will see about a $250 per month increase after 3 years. But some homeowners, especially those living in more expensive areas like California, could see monthly payment increases running over $1,000 per month. Since the economy and job market are not fully recovered, and household incomes have been largely stagnant since the first modifications were approved in 2009, many homeowners may begin to experience additional hardships and find that they could once again be at the risk of default as the payments on these loans begin rising. The people more at risk are those who haven't recovered from the recession or are on fixed incomes. Now, this is something that's probably going to blindside a lot of people, even though it was fully disclosed in the original agreement. Notices about these increases will begin to go out over the next few months, or will show up on your monthly mortgage statement, so you need to be on the lookout for it. One positive is that with the rising home prices that have occurred over the last 2 years, some of these homeowners may now have some equity and no longer be underwater, which will give them several more options moving forward. Once the homeowners are notified of or realize that their mortgage payments will increase, they should be proactive about the situation if they think they can't afford the higher payments. But it remains to be seen how flexible the banks are going to be in assisting homeowners when the time comes. Hopefully, the government will keep an eye on this as it starts to wind down and make any necessary adjustments. If not, we could see many homeowners again be put in a situation of having difficulty and once again facing foreclosure. Let's hope that doesn't happen. Now, if you or someone you know has questions and can use help in any real estate matter or considering selling or buying, contact me, Frank Verney, and I'd be happy to help in any way I can. If you found this interesting, please like it and share or forward to someone that can use it. I'd also appreciate any comments below or subscribe for further updates. I'll see you again soon. Thanks and good luck.